Hi, I'm Mel from Two Sleepyheads, and today I'm going to show you how to do this font poster design that is done in Photoshop. So if you like this video, to remember to click the like button and subscribe. Alright, let's go! Alright, first up, this is a font poster series I've been doing on TikTok, so if you like this video, to follow us on TikTok and also like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's start. So first up, we create a artboard signs in Photoshop and change the background to black. Now we type the font. So you can use any font for this, of course. Now we're going to type the font name and change the font color to white so that you can see on the black background. So once we expand the text, we want to align it to the entire width, of the artboard, and we want to duplicate it. So we're going to duplicate the text. Shortcut way to duplicate in Photoshop is Command J, or Control J if you're using Windows. So we can duplicate the whole thing and shift it down. So now the whole artboard is covered with the text. So for this, we're gonna select all the text, shift to select all, and convert to a smart object. So now it's one full layer. So from there, we're gonna duplicate another layer. We're gonna create another layer, and we're gonna add colors to it. So I'm going to use the paintbrush to increase my paintbrush, and I'm going to change the color on the paintbrush. Maybe we choose a green, like a lighter green. I'm going to add some colors using the paintbrush onto the artboard itself. So you're going to just use brush tool. So now let's change the hardness to lower level 10%, and then we can have this blurry effect. And you're gonna change another color as well, brushy. So for the color wise, you can choose your own color palette. You don't have to follow whatever you're seeing here. It depends on what you like. So now we have two colors. We're gonna choose Liquify, filter Liquify, and we're gonna liquify the two colors together. This is like a gradient mesh in Illustrator if you think about it. So we're gonna just create an effect where they are meshed together. And now I think we need to create more. So we're gonna go to Liquify again and swirl it up, just twirl it. So you can adjust the size, the density, and the pressure, as well as the rate of the brush for the Liquify tool. So it depends on what you want. So we're choosing bigger brush size. Just swirl it however we want. Of course, you can add more colors if you like, and more contrasting colors if you like as well. That's the Liquify tool in Photoshop. That's where you find it. You can add noise, so add noise always makes everything nicer in Photoshop. I don't know why it's so much easier to add noise in Photoshop than in Illustrator, as it's less laggy compared to Illustrator. So add noise, it looks so much better. And we're gonna duplicate the background layer and also add noise as well. So the whole, gonna convert this module so that the whole artwork is filled with the same amount of noise. So now we're gonna embed the text layer, and we're gonna go to filter and liquify the text now. So now you're gonna use the same brush, or you can make the brush smaller, up to you. This is where you change the size, or you can make it bigger or smaller, up to you. And you can swirl the text around. So in a way, this is like the Liquify tool in Illustrator, where you can swirl the text around as well. Let's see if you like the effect. Alright, this looks kind of cool. So for now, we're gonna change to a different. Let's see, maybe we should go to overlay. Oh, this looks good. Or soft light, maybe overlay looks good. So it looks like the colors are meshed, and you can change the opacity as well. So yeah, this is a poster. It looks kind of good because the text have been swirled into the middle. There's this gradient graphic design, typography aesthetics to it. And this is it. If you like this video, let us know in the comment below. If you want more Photoshop tutorial, do comment below and let us know. We can try to do more Photoshop tutorials. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website, which is twosleepyheads.com, to check our work out, and also drop us an email and DM if you need any help with creative services, branding services, packaging design, website, social media, especially TikTok. And also, if you want to learn how to better your design skills, do follow us on YouTube. Click the like and subscribe button and like this video. And also comment if you want to watch more of such videos as well. Till next time, bye!